Got a Sig Kilo 2800 rangefinder here that we're looking through. Got it set up so I can video through it to range some stuff. I've got it set for my particular rifle through the app. And so you range your target and then it tells you what to dial up. I'm not sure what the over is set for. That can't be 10-mile-an-hour wind. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I didn't worry about that. I don't know how you'd calibrate all that. But let's get this horse here. Dial up 0.3. Let's see what this one is. About 0.2 you dial up. Let's look over here. Maybe see if we can hit them trees. Now it only gives you what to dial up out to about 900-ish yards. After that it doesn't tell you what to dial up. Now it'll range farther. I think the farthest I've ever gotten it to read back to me was just shy of 2,000 yards. And it was a house. I'm not sure what this building is. Let's try it. 1397. So there's 1,400 yards to that building.